Well, it's been an interesting and really just a wet 24 hours. Really a wet 36 hours when you think about it, because it's been a few days with all of this rain that's been coming through. Good news is we get a break today, and then we get right back into the active weather pattern starting tomorrow. So take advantage of it. Now, wait till we get some warmer air, because it will be here by the afternoon. The winds are eventually going to shift out of the south and southwest and just really pull in that warmer air. But until that point, it is a cold morning start. Some areas are near freezing, and there is some fog. Think about 3 days of rain. It's really saturated the soil, and that means that we do have some fog developing out there. But high pressure is going to control the forecast, and that does mean more sunshine than cloud coverage later on in the day. Cold front approaching, and this one's pretty strong. Now, not so much in the fact that it's going to bring strong storms, but it's strong in the fact that it's really going to ramp up the wind out ahead of it. So that does mean a very breezy day today, very warm day today, and then late tonight some showers to roll in right ahead of this front. Eventually it will cross us. Warm front comes in right after that, and on the back edge of this secondary low, yeah, we do have a chance to get some winter precipitation, believe it or not. Going into tomorrow evening and early Monday morning, a big cold high out of the Arctic. All of that wind coming around the front edge of it will dip down into our region and pull that cold air in, but pull freezing air in, and that's what will cause it. Now, it doesn't last long, and whatever does hit the ground likely won't stick, because we are going to get a warm front that comes in later in the day and kind of ramp up the temperatures. So it's not going to be anything messy out there. Will maybe from time to time, especially late tomorrow night, but there will be some to worry about. As far as where it's all going to fall, we'll put that into play on the future track right here. So showers throughout the night tonight and tomorrow morning, but really just rain for that hit. And it is a quick hit with the cold front. We actually do get some sunshine, and I do mean very little, throughout the day tomorrow, especially in the afternoon. And then the clouds come back as that warm front kind of slides across. This is where that line is likely going to set up. In fact, some models are kind of pulling it down. I think it's going to be well to the north of Lexington, but basically 64 and north, you're going to be in the mix. And then once you get closer to Cincinnati and, southern Indiana, southern Ohio, middle Ohio, that's where areas are going to be getting that snow falling. So we don't have to worry about that. The further you are north, the more you're going to see that changeover. But everybody south of, once again, 64 is just going to be in the rain. And then, of course, we keep that active weather pattern going all the way through the middle of next week. So, for your Easter mix and what you can expect, once again, 64 in south, all rain, wintry mix right above it. And then just that little area before you're getting into Cincinnati, you've got about less than an inch of snow. And I mean more like 0.2 of an inch of snow. So it's not really going to be anything to worry about. It's definitely nothing that we can't handle. It's just be aware that the further north you are tomorrow afternoon, evening, the more you're going to have to deal with that winter precipitation. As far as how rain is concerned, we're not even going to be picking up an inch, more 3/4 of an inch of rain. So this is not a complete washout. It's really just bringing in a few showers around here, but just kind of that aggravating mix of what we are going to be dealing with late tomorrow night. But as far as tonight goes, mild, chilly tomorrow morning. If you are heading out to the services for Easter Sunday, definitely grab a jacket and maybe an umbrella, because there will be some showers around to deal with. So your 8-day forecast looks like this. We've got the mix going into Monday. We do warm up. I mean, look at Tuesday. Nice cold front going to come through, going to bring some showers and thunderstorms. But before it arrives, we finally get up to the 70s. It's been since February since we've done that. Going into the end of the week, we get some sunshine back, but it doesn't last long, as more winter precipitation likely next weekend. More news after the break.